guys, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have this makeup look for you guys right here. I had this makeup look on when I filmed my current favorite hairstyles, and I got so many compliments on this makeup, you guys. It's personally one of my favorite makeup looks as well. I've worn this makeup look, I would say 4 or 5 years ago when I was working at Trade Secrets, and I used to do like the same colors, and I also used to wear the same look with gold and teals and blues. As soon as I finished filming my current favorite hairstyles, I went out later that night and I got so many compliments on this makeup look, and a lot of you guys DM'd me and told me how you guys like this makeup look as well. So this is going to be an eye focused makeup look. So it's basically just showing you guys how to create these eyes and how to do these, like how to do this eye makeup. My face is pretty much the same as like previous videos. I just used the Hourglass and the Born This Way, the Too Faced foundation. My setting powder, my concealer, bronzer, blush, highlight, everything else is the same. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you guys like eye makeup only videos as well, like let me know and I will include some of those on my channel. And then if you guys like full tutorials, because I know I like to watch full tutorials as well, but then I also like to watch just like, you know, eye makeup only looks and all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and click the bell button to be notified every single time I upload a video. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So like I mentioned, this is going to be an eye focused makeup look. I'm gonna focus mainly on the eyes. I'm not gonna be showing you guys how I do my face. My face, you guys have seen it in a bunch of other videos. You guys can pull up any one of my videos. The face makeup and everything stays the same. So it's this makeup look that I'm talking about. So I kind of did my hair like that too, so that way I can show you guys what it looks like all together. But this is the eye makeup look that I want to show you guys how to do. So to prime my lids, I'm going to start off with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm just going to use this to prime my eyes. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lid and on the inner corners as well. And I'm going to blend this out with my finger. I'm mainly filming this look because I did my current favorite hairstyles and I was wearing this makeup look, and then we went out that same day as well, and I got so many compliments on my makeup, and a few of you guys like messaged me on Instagram and DM'd me and like told me how much you guys loved it and you guys wanted to see a tutorial on it and all that stuff, or how I did it. That's why I'm just mainly focusing on the eyes. So for this makeup look, I used the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection and I used the Through My Eyes palette from ColourPop. So I'm going to show you guys how I basically create that look. So the first palette that I'm going to take is the Bling Boss palette. So I'm going to start off with taking the shade Rockstar, which is this purple shade right over here from the Bling Boss palette, and I'm taking this on my Morphe M441 blending brush. It's just a big blending brush. So I'm just going to pick up that shade, and this is going to go in my crease, and this is going to be like my transition color, and I'm starting like sort of on the outer V area here, and I'm going to take this in my crease. So I'm mainly keeping majority of the product like sort of in my outer V area, and then with whatever's left over, I'm bringing that in towards my inner crease. So as you can see, I'm packing majority of the color on my outer V area, and then with whatever's left over on the brush, I am just going in circular motions and just blending that in my crease, like so. And then I am going to deepen up my crease by taking the shade Mystic, which is that darker berry color, which is this color right here. So as you can see, this one is the one I put in my crease, and that is the one that I'm using in my outer V area, and just darkening this. So this is just gonna stay on my outer V area like that. And with this, you can use Scotch tape, you could use tape if you need a more of a precise line or a guide, but I like to just be very messy because, I don't know, I feel like when I'm messy I can work better, and then I just like to take a makeup wipe and clean it up. And I'm taking that on my Sigma E25, it's just a blending brush, so I'm picking up that shade Mystic, and again just patting that or packing it on my outer V and creating that V shape. And you can do this makeup look with whichever colors you want. When I used to work at Trade Secrets like 4 or 5 years ago, I used to do this makeup look all the time, and I used to do like gold on the inner corners, and then I used to use a MAC shadow, and I think a Makeup Geek shadow, and I used to do like a teal and blue ombre, like smoky eye. I don't know if I can find a picture or not, but now I can insert a picture if I can find one. But you can pretty much do this makeup look with any colors of your choice, like whatever colors go nicely together, you can always do that. And I'm just, as I get into my crease area, I'm just turning my brush and I'm just working that brush in, really getting into my eye socket area and just blending this out. And again, I'm not worrying too much about being clean because we are going to clean this up. Next, I'm going to take through my eyes palette, I'm going to pick up this really pretty berry color right over here. And I'm taking that just on a Morphe, like a flat brush. You could use a concealer brush, any flat brush, and I love this color. It's so beautiful and so pigmented. And that I'm going to put right beside that Mystic color. And you can tell, like, look how pigmented this color is. And I'm just going to pat that right beside it. And then picking up another flat shader brush, I'm just going to just wet it with a makeup wipe. And then I'm going to go in with the Armed and Gorgeous palette. And then I'm going to pick up the shade Coin, which is this very, very, very pretty gold, like bright gold. It has like a green undertone to it, I think. So I'm going to pick up that gold color. And this is going to go right beside that shade. I know it looks weird right now, but it's all about the blending. So I'm gonna go ahead, pop that right. And I'm taking my brush and lightly going over that line so that there's no harsh line between the berry color and that gold color. And then going in with that flat brush and that berry color, and then just packing that on, because in case if it lost its intensity while we were putting the gold. And this kind of, when you just go over it, it kind of just blends it out. And then going back in with the Bling Boss palette, I'm going to pick up more of that Mystic shade, which is that darker one on the outer corner, and then just pack that over and just darken it. So as you can see, there's not much to it. It's a very, very easy eye makeup look. You just gotta blend it nicely. And now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and just clean all of the fallout that we had. I'm taking my NYX matte liquid liner and I'm just going to give myself a really nice and sharp wing. Now that my eyeliner is done, I'm going to take my Too Faced waterproof mascara and coat my lashes in this. For lashes, I'm going to be taking my SANZA Beauty lashes, and these are in the style Shisha. And then for glue, I'm going to be taking my House of Lashes clear lash glue. And with this eye makeup, I really like to wear a full and dramatic lash. I just feel like it brings all the drama and it just makes this whole eye look like come to life. and just puts the whole makeup look together. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stick my lashes on. Lashes are on. As you guys can see, they're really full, wispy, and like they're drama. They're calling attention. So now that my eyelashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off of camera, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So I'm going to finish up the rest of this makeup look. You guys can see I'm baking. I'm just gonna take the shade Tempera, which is this off-white-ish shade, on my flat shader brush. You guys know I love this brush for highlighting. You guys know I love this brush for highlighting my brow bone. I'm just going to start at the high points of my brows, bring it down, and again, just blend it out. This is just going to make your brows look very lifted and defined. With no additional product, I'm going to pick up that M441 blending brush. Just go in my crease. I'm going to take the M443 blending brush, and I'm going to pick up that purple shade that we put in our crease, which is called Rockstar. So I'm going to pick up the shade Rockstar again, and I'm going to blend this in my lower lash line. And now I'm just going to take a Morphe M438. It's just a pointed brush like this. I'm going to dust away any fallout. And I have already set my entire face, and I've already done my contour, my bronzer. I filled in my brows, and I'm just taking this in my inner corner like this and really just dusting everything. And then I'm just going to press my under eye area like so. I'm just going to do blush and highlight as well. For blush, I'm just taking my Tarte 12 Hour Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Party. I'm just going to add that on the apple of my cheeks. And then for highlight, again, I'm telling you guys, it's my current obsession. I'm going to take the shade Iced, Gleam, Iced, and Sparks, mix all three of these colors together, and it's just gonna go right on the high points of my cheekbones. And then for lower lash mascara, I'm just going to take my Lights Camera Splashes Waterproof Mascara. This is by Tarte. I'm just going to give my lower lashes a coat of this. So I'm just going to take that Morphe M443 blending brush, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit of the shade Mystic and just buff this in my lower lash line as well, just because I want it to be a little bit darker. And then with any old pencil brush, I'm just taking the shade Coin again, and I'm just going to pop this in my inner corner just because I want it to pop a little bit more. And I'm just finishing my lips off with my all-time favorite nude combination, the Anastasia liquid lipstick, in the color, or in the shade On Mute and Sand. And I'm just going to set everything in place with my LILAH B AGLOW Face Mist. And that's the finished makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how to do these ombre eyes. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Again, if you aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, turn on your post notifications so you guys never miss another upload. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!